August 15th, 2025. What happened in Guadalajara was one of the rarest events in meteorological history, both a devastating flood and a 20-inch hailstorm in the same day. This combination is so rare that experts say it happens once in a century.
It all started at 3 p.m. The sky over Guadalajara, Zapopan, Tlaquepaque, and Tlajomulco suddenly turned pitch black. The rainfall in the first 10 minutes equaled 1/3 of what normally falls in an entire month. Then came the real shock. 25 minutes. This nightmare lasted only 25 minutes, but it was enough to completely paralyze Guadalajara. On Avenida Vallarta, one of the city's busiest streets, cars literally started floating. Around the Los Cubos monument, water levels rose so high that even SUVs were submerged up to their hoods. The most dramatic moments happened in the La Martinica neighborhood. Waters rose so fast that people were forced to climb onto the roofs of their cars. In viral social media footage, a man calls for help from the roof of his completely submerged vehicle. As people around tried to rescue him, water levels were still rising. But the real shock happened in Tlaquepaque, in the Parques de Santa Maria area. The sky didn't drop hailstones. It dropped ice blocks, non-stop for 15 minutes. The result? A solid 20-inch thick layer of ice. Children who had never seen snow in their lives suddenly found themselves in a winter fairy tale. Streets turned white. Camino Real to Colima Road became unrecognizable. It was as if a piece of Greenland had broken off and fallen into Mexico. Cars completely disappeared under the ice. In Parques del Bosque, parked vehicles vanished completely under massive ice chunks. Some car owners couldn't even find their own automobiles. But the most heartbreaking sight was this. In the viral video, a small dog struggles to swim in the enchocamiento, the floodwater. As its owner tries to rescue it, everyone around records the scene with their phones. There was complete chaos on Periférico Sur. The underpass in front of Iteso University was completely flooded. Traffic came to a complete halt at the Mariano Otero intersection. On the Guadalajara-Nogales Highway, the underpass at kilometer 10 filled with so much water that small cars couldn't pass through. 2 different disasters in 24 hours in one city. Meteorology experts can't hide their amazement. First floods, then hailstorm this severe in such a short time is extremely rare, says the Mexican Meteorological Service. The city was paralyzed. Dozens of vehicles were stranded in Zapopan. Rescue teams had to intervene with helicopters. Traffic in the La Calma area stood still for hours. On the Lopez Mateos corridor, a normally 15-minute journey took 3 hours.
Ahí tenemos un lazo.
The most painful truth is that this was just the beginning. According to August 16th forecasts, the same regions are expecting severe rainfall again. Jalisco state could receive another 50 to 75 millimeters of precipitation. In the Guadalajara metropolitan area, home to 1 million people, infrastructure hasn't recovered yet and another blow could come. Climate change experts warn, these types of extreme weather events are no longer rare. This is the new normal. Cities must prepare. August 15th, 2025. This double disaster in Guadalajara made meteorological history. Floods and hail on the same day, at the same time, in the same city. Nature's power has never been this dramatic.
Así se registró la inundación en Guadalajara tras la lluvia del domingo.
This double disaster in Guadalajara made meteorological history. Floods and hail on the same day, at the same time, in the same city. Nature's power has never been this dramatic.